Hi, Jason Knott, editor of CE Pro. We get to see a lot of products here at CE Pro, but when we get to actually install one, that's something special. And that's the case recently when we got to actually get hands-on with the Intermatic STW700 Smart In-Wall Timer. The Intermatic Ascend STW700 Smart In-Wall Timer is a 7-day programmable timer that integrators can offer to a variety of clients to meet their lighting control needs. Unboxing the device is simple. Once it's out of the box, the physical installation is familiar just like any standard lighting device. In a retrofit environment, the first step is to remove the old light switch. Before going forward, we want to point out that the STW700 should be installed by a licensed, qualified professional. Once the old light switch is removed, use the supplied wire nuts to connect and install the timer. After the STW700 is secured into place, finish the install by installing the companion wall plate. The next step is to program the timer's activities. The timer can be set up without having internet access, but when using the companion app that's available on iOS and Android, integrators can save several minutes of setup time. Taking a quick look at the scheduling capabilities of the product, integrators can work from the app's built-in template, or they can create custom schedules to meet specific homeowner requirements. The UL Listed Lighting Devices app also enables remote access to update the programming on the fly, and Intermatic augments the usability of the product with Amazon Alexa voice control capability. From an installer perspective, the STW700 eliminates the need for a central hub to streamline the cost and installation requirements that come with most smart home products. And because of the turnkey design, it complements nearly any installation scenario. We're talking about production home building, retrofit, and straight ahead, cost-effective new home smart installations. From our hands-on experience with the product, I think the integrators the most are going to like the app. This enables you to make programming changes on the fly. It's easy to navigate. Plus, the remote capability is really a time saver, especially on the service side for integrators. One thing to keep in mind for integrators is that Intermatic sells through electrical distribution. So integrators, if you are not in the electrical distribution field, you're going to have to make sure you have an established relationship with your local distributor. To learn more about the Intermatic Ascend Smart In-Wall Timer, visit cepro.com.